Hello everyone, Sandy here with you this month, unboxing the December limited edition kit from my creative scrapbook. I just wanted to jump on real quick and show you everything that's included in the kit this month. Let's start with the flowers, which is kind of the showcase of the kit. We have 3 packages of flowers from Little Birdie Crafts. The first is a beautiful ivory color, all handmade and different sizes, and then some kind of in a bouquet, which will be great to go along with the Christmas theme. And then a couple of beautiful packs of a gorgeous Christmas red petals with nice leaves on here and beautiful gold ball centers to them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in the kit there. And then this one was some various sizes, and it's the same shade as this one right here, again by Little Birdie. And you have various sizes, which I think is nice, and the centers are a little different. Plus there's some little buds up here to kind of enhance your layouts. Then let me grab this right here. This is a distressed glaze from Ranger, put out by Tim Holtz, and the color is Mowed Lawn, which should be just perfect to go along with the kit this month. So there'll be some different fun ways to use that product. Next up is the a chipboard set from 49 and Market Evergreen Season Collection. And I really like that we get the chipboard set this time because it's nice and heavy and thick and perfect for the layouts that you want to keep from your Christmas projects. There's 60 pieces in here, and then here's a quick picture of what we have in there, some titles and other images and icons and little banners. That'll be just perfect. I love those. Then we've got 2 different packages of the laser cut elements. The first one here is from the Christmas Spectacular collection, and this is just a quick look at some of the images there. There's ornaments, trees, bows, of course, and then some Santas and Father Christmas. And this is just kind of the colors right here that you can see. And those will be fun. And not only that one, but we also get the Evergreen Season laser cut elements. Each of these 2 items has 97 elements in them, and there's actually 4 sheets. So I'll open it at another time whenever we're getting ready to do our first project. But anyway, here we've got the same color family. We've got some tags and images, frames, and more ornaments. I really love those, kind of old worldly, and go perfect with this Father Christmas here. Some wonderful titles. This will be so fun. Also, I really love when we have alphas in the kit, but here are some script alphas in capital and in a lowercase, so that'll be nice for creating your own titles. And then we have a wonderful stencil from Simple Stories. This is just some holly leaves and berries, and this will be really great for your backgrounds and various things that you might want to use. You could use this for cards, layouts, or other projects that you might be doing for Christmas. Then also, as always, we get a cut file in the kit, and this month with the limited edition, it's the sleigh with packages in it, and that'll be really nice. Also, you know, with every kit comes a sketch of the month, so this is a great way to get yourself started if you haven't been scrapbooking for a while, or you just can't come up with any other creative ideas during this busy season. All right, let's get to the papers. Most of the papers are from the Evergreen Season collection from 49 and Market. And first off, we have these wonderful cut-aparts that are 3x4s. And so we have anything from titles to images and shabby chic or just traditional. The other side, if you want to use that, is a nice diagonal plaid. Next up, we have the Father Christmas, and then a very whitish background with some faded script on it. Just a beautiful page. And on the back is this really pretty buffalo plaid in red and black. So you're going to have to choose or cut it in half and use both. Then we have some trees with some stars in the background. That's really nice. And then on the back of that is a script page in that same shade of green with a nice little script. This is one of the prettiest papers in the collection, I think. This is the wreath like they usually have in the 49 Market collection. Just poinsettias all around with the red and green plaid background. On the back of that is a green plaid paper, and you might select that if you don't want to do a wreath. I really love this. It's a collage, but it's in these beautiful golden and teal tones with a little bit of green. And then, of course, all the script, kind of newspaper print style. On the back of that is that same shade, and you have a background image of Christmas trees or just pine trees. Then we have another A page with a really pretty bright white background that again has got some faded script on it. And then you've got a poinsettia cluster in each corner. And this one's got an accompanying sleigh. And the cut file will pair nicely, you know, kind of with that. On the back of that, we have kind of a sweater style print that's in red and white. It's really pretty if you would want to choose that one, you know, as an accent or for your page. And then here we have the back side of the Evergreen Season Collection Pat front. And this is just a fun little village scene, and it's kind of a brownish gray with little gold specks. Very cute. And this is really nice. This is actually from the Vintage Artistry Peace and Joy collection. And on this side is a really pretty shade of green that pairs nicely with all these other papers. So great for an accent or great as your background. Or to cut your sleigh if you want to do that. I love this. Again, that's kind of that robin's egg blue in the background. And then some beautiful florals. You can either use this as is, or you can fussy cut these little images if that's what you prefer. On the back of this, again, is that sweater style or knit print, but again, in a green that will look really nice with all the other papers. This is one of my favorite papers from the collection. We have a Father Christmas over here holding some toys, and then just some little light faded out images over here. And we have a sleigh and reindeer at the bottom. Really fun. On the back of that is a script, and it's in a really pretty font. And again, it's kind of that light minty robin's egg color. That pairs really nicely with the next one that I'm going to show. And this one again is from Evergreen Season. This is poinsettias in blue and cream. Beautiful. On the back is a nice bright green with, again, the pine trees on there. And then last, from the Evergreen Season, we have the woodcuts. This is really fun, and I can think of lots of different ways to use this. You can also just fussy cut these if you want to use these as titles or just to be an element on your page. On the back of that is just some leaves. And again, in that kind of dark taupe, dark gray color with some white stems. So that's it. That's all the papers. In your sketch, your cut file, your stencil, your alphas. So many laser cuts. Wonderful chipboard set. Your flowers. And then a fun glaze. All right. Have fun, everyone.